Okay, I'm going to move to my next demo, which is to migrate our Selenium IDE to Katalon. So as probably you know, Selenium IDE is a Selenium integrated development environment where you can get started with developing your Selenium scripts. So basically you launch a Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is like a Chrome plugin which you use to record while you're doing some actions on the application under test. Selenium ID record all the actions and generates an element IDs also. And in the end, basically you save this project into an external, like on your directory or something. So let me start with the Selenium ID. So this is a Selenium ID, which here I'm going to record my script for 1 hour of our application under test. So let me point to that. Copy this URL. So let me start recording. So here, while as you can see on the right hand side on the top bottom is whatever actions I'm doing, the Selenium ID is recording that actions and it's going to and also recording the element IDs where I'm performing those actions. So first, in case I log into my application, log in here, and I choose the facility which I want to make an appointment, and then I choose the date. For example, I choose date and put some comment and book an appointment. And then I can log out. So this is what I have done. So in a Selenium ID, it is basically whatever actions I was performing on this application under test, it has saved those actions if you see on my cursor here, and also saved the element IDs. So next I'm going to save my test script. Actually, the whole project, I'm going to save it here to an external repository, to my to one of the folders here. And then I basically go back to the Katalon Studio and import the project which I saved. So here they have introduced this new feature, which is where you can import the Selenium ID project. So that's what the option I choose. So I choose this option and then I import it. So as you can see, it has imported all the test cases and the test suite which I saved before. So it has directly imported those in this folder structure, like it has imported the test cases and also imported the test scripts here. So for reference, I'm going to start executing those test cases back. So whichever we have recorded is going to start the browser and perform the action, basically going to do the same thing. It's going to log in and choose appointment, and that's about it. Yep. So just to highlight on this one. So this is what I have imported into the Katalon Studio. So as you see, it has just copied the actions and these are the element IDs, and it's more like a description of those. So if I go to the script mode, it is basically doing the same actions like which I was recorded, and is referring to those element IDs. Here, this is more like comment, and here is doing this actions here. So it basically, it get copied here and we perform these actions. In this current migration, we support pretty much all the element IDs, which is XPath, CSS, IDs, and name. So there's a one limitation. It does not support the linked text element ID as of now. So hopefully in the next release, when we put on the public website, we overcome this limitation. But currently, it does not support the link text element ID feature. So that's pretty much my demo.